Hey, welcome to the Duranifi channel. In this video, we're going to be flying the Fimi Mini on top of the big brother, the X8 SE, the original Fimi X8 SE. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You're probably wondering, why in the heck are you doing this? I'm doing this to get a real-time comparison of both cameras. So, I have both controllers, and I've strapped the Mini on top of this Fimi. See that right there? And you can see that both of these are on and functioning correctly. You can see me spinning the Mini around. I'm holding the Mini, but everything works fine. So the reason why I do this is to be able to get a real-time comparison of the two cameras. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It should be a good one. I can't wait to see what these videos look like after I'm done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let's get to the video. Here we go. Thanks for watching. There we go. So, how's the cameras look to you guys? I'm slowly flying away, as you can see, increasing in altitude a little bit. It's a beautiful day here in Richmond, Virginia, and the cameras are set to full auto 4K. 2.7 on the X8 SE. I'm going to pan around so you guys can look to see the location that I'm at. And there's the city. Isn't that a pretty place? And next thing you're going to see is a train cruising. See the train? Yeah. Train's coming by. Hey guys, this is Al from the future. I wasn't narrating much, so I decided to do a voiceover. The big differences here is that Fimi Mini on the left is shooting 4K 30, and on the right, the Fimi X8 SE is 2.7, 60 frames a second. The big cropping factors, because flying super slow because I have one quadcopter on top of the other. The main thing that I wanted to do here is just get the shot and get the comparison and then bring it back and change my resolutions on both of the quads so they would match. So yeah, this is second battery. Turn it on first. Got the happy sound, that's good. There it is. Gotta check the sensors underneath. Alright. Okay. Looks better. So my cameras are all set. I'm going to do an auto takeoff. You guys ready? Ready for takeoff. Here we go. Yeah, at takeoff here, it gets a little too close to comfort and the wax on this tulip poplar right above me here. So way too close to comfort. Okay, so that was a little too close for comfort. And I'm using my Canon M50 with a Sigma 16mm lens to get these shots. I needed to get some shots for the thumbnail, and these are coming out so good that I decided to just keep clicking away. And having the city in the background is really nice. With the bokeh effect from this lens is unbelievable. I have a variable filter on there also. I'll put the link in in the description below to the Sigma lens, the variable filter, and the camera in case you're interested. Yeah, a little overexposed there. I was playing around with the EV value on the camera, and that's what I got. But yeah, so I'm trying to pilot this thing with my left hand. Well, I'll have the controller on my lap. You'll see that's here coming up when I switch views to the camera. So I'm holding Canon 50 with Sigma 16mm lens on my right hand side. Ooh. And as you can tell, I'm still reeling from that little episode where it gets really close and starts hitting that tree. So it could have easily crashed, but it didn't, thank goodness. And now I'm slowly piloting back to get another shot. I thought this was a very nice shot. Coming back in movie mode, and as you can see, the Fimi X8 SE 2020 has no problems handling the Mini on top of it. So let's get into the video comparison. Whew, again, coming really low of the two cameras. I'm going to fly away, and you guys decide what camera do you prefer as I'm adjusting the pitch on the cameras. On the gimbals? I got too close, man. And again, I'm still kind of pumped up and reeling from that little event. And finally, I get both of these cameras set right. And then I'm going to go ahead and fly backwards and show you the two cameras side by side. Here on the left, you can see the Mini has more saturation on his color profile than on the 2020 on the right. But man, I'm having a hard time figuring out which camera I prefer. I think I prefer the Mini's camera a little more. I don't know why, but I think it looks better for some reason. But there you go, you can see the bikers going down the hill and the city in the background. So motion blur on both of them seemed to be pretty good. I didn't see anything weird about it. Alright guys, so that is the comparison. Wow, really scared myself there for a minute trying to get some pictures. But yeah, so that's my comparison right there. And my comments. So the next step is to move in closer to the city and start taking some pictures. So I'm going to be quiet, let the video roll, and let the narration go while I was flying. All right. All right, guys. Let's try to get up close and personal. I'm at 73% battery. Might as well give it a go. See what happens. I'm going to get a little closer. We'll take some pictures of the city and then compare the pictures. I'm moving pretty slow. I'm not going to go very fast. I want to stay clear of this fence, black fence. Yeah, I think this is a good place to stop. Then just take some pictures. Okay, let me frame the pictures just the same. One click down, there. Take picture, boom. Take picture. Picture taken, good. Alright, so doing okay, guys. We're doing okay. I'm going to go ahead and move it a little further in just in case. Just want to make sure I have a little bit of buffer. Alright, so somebody's got a hot car, man. Okay, so EV is set to 0 on the little mini, and now I'm going to set the EV value to 0 on the big brother, the X8 SE. Let's just call that one the X8 SE. Taking pictures. Taking pictures. Good. All right, so let's do manual shooting now. Let's see how. So we can do manual shooting now. And let's see if we can set it to. Change the ISO on it. We're going to go to manual. We're going to shoot at 100. It's really nice out here, guys. And shutter speed. Oh my gosh. Shutter speed. Let's do like 250. 240 would work. 240 would work. Yeah. All right, so ISO 100, shutter speed is, let me see here, format JPEG. Can I change this? Grid lines. Let me get my little camera here. So unfortunately, I can't do the shutter speed adjustment, I don't think. Yeah, so the Mini has no shutter speed adjustment, guys. So unfortunately, this is the only pictures I'm going to be able to get is set to auto. I can change a couple things on it, but not much else. Okay. All right, so let me spin it around a little bit. There's a helicopter coming in for a landing. I'm like super low. There's no way it's going to be affected. You might be able to see the helicopter. All right, let's take a picture here. Boom. Picture here. Boom. Boom. And we're going to go and change the cameras again to movie. We're going to movie mode. Movie mode on both. 2.7, 30 frames a second. The helicopter's landing somewhere in the middle of the city. I'm not really sure where. All right, bringing it down and calling it the day. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down, guys. It's coming down right here. Everything's done real slow. So I don't tip it over and hurt itself. The wind just hit it. So I'm going to bring it down and call it a day. You can see it fighting the wind. Well, there we go, guys. I think we got a decent landing. Decent amount of videos. And so I'm calling it. Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. Wow, what a commanding view.